Put your brain power to the test with a series of 30 diverse and challenging riddles. Solve them all within 10 seconds each. Are you ready to take on the challenge? I'm tall when I'm young and short when I'm old. What am I? A candle. I am easy to lift but hard to throw. What am I? A feather. I can fly but have no wings. I can cry but have no eyes. What am I? A cloud. What can you catch but not throw? A cold. I have a tail and a head but no body. What am I? A coin. I am a box with no hinges, key, or lid, yet inside a golden treasure is hid. What am I? An egg. What gets wetter the more it dries? A towel. Jimmy's father has 4 sons, Mike, Ram, King, and who is fourth? Jimmy. I am a type of fish, but also a musical instrument. What am I? Base. What can travel around the world while staying in the same spot? A stamp. What has a mouth but doesn't eat? A river. Where does tomorrow come before yesterday? Dictionary. What has keys, but no locks, space, but no room, you can enter, but not go in? Keyboard. What belongs to you but is used more by others? Your name. What has 4 legs in the morning, 2 legs at noon, and 3 legs in the evening? A human. What has 4 fingers and a thumb but isn't alive? A glove. What has a ring but no finger? A telephone. I'm a path surrounded by woods, yet I'm paved. What am I? A road. What has a tongue but cannot talk? A shoe. What never asks questions, but is often answered? Doorbell. What has feet but no legs? A ruler. Forward I'm heavy, backward I'm not. What am I? Word ton. What is always moving but never gets anywhere? A clock. What gets sharper the more you use it? Your brain. I fly without wings. I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. What am I? A cloud. The more you use me, the smaller I get. What am I? An eraser. What begins with an E, has only one letter, but ends with an E? An envelope. I am a type of flower, but also a term in mathematics. What am I? Tulip. What has lot of eyes, but can't see? A potato. I am a type of vegetable, but also a term in boxing. What am I? Beet. Thanks for watching. Kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel, Infozillien.